How's it going today, people? Welcome back to T-Jack Reacts. I am Jackson. What I got for y'all today is a death battle. This one is going to be between Black Canary and Sindel. Two scream queens. Two hollering ladies. But, not really sure who's going to win. I think I'm going to go for Sindel. I know more about Sindel than I knew about Black Canary. Well, at least this whatever version. I'm not sure which version of Black Canary they're going with. But I know a little bit about Black Canary. Not a whole lot. I know more about Sindel. But anyway, I think I'm going to go with Sindel because I'm a big Mortal Kombat fan and whatnot. Got the comic books, got the game, all that kind of stuff. But let's just throw in these headbutts and let's see who's going to win between these two ladies. But before I do that, my camera's kind of dying on me, so I gotta try to get some power going before it dies. So just hang with me for a minute. I'll be right back. Gotta plug some stuff. Alright, there we go. Plugged in. Now the power's not gonna die on me in mid-video. Okay. So let's throw in these headbutts. Let's see who's gonna win this death battle.
Alright, the combatants are set, and we've run the data through all possibilities.
But first, we'll tell you about hymns.
A bunch of baracas.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Enough of this farce.
Why they got her all?
Behold your queen.
Why is she so thick?
I shall strip the flesh from
Why is
your
her hair so big?
bones.
Makes no sense. Excellent.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep. So are ring outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death! Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
Fatality.
KO! Looks
Whatever.
like Sindel's head is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster, and with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels, 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute, that means the Canary Cry would be
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883, a volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is Black Canary.
Leonardo versus Jason. Whatever. But anyway, alright. What did I think of this death battle? Okay, Sindel lost. Okay, so I chose the wrong character. Whatever. But, yeah, whatever. Death battle, you know, whatever. Canary won, okay, fine. Okay. Next. But I think she probably should have just did fatalities, you know, ripped her skin off, you know, wrapped her up, spin her, make her blow up, whatever. But anyway, Canary won. Not like I'm majorly disappointed, you know, Sindel lost. I thought Sindel would win, but whatever. It is what it is. Next battle is going to be Leonardo versus Jason, the Red Ranger. That should be a fairly interesting battle, depending on which version of Leonardo they go with, because there's so many. But to be completely honest, I would probably think Jason, Red Ranger, would probably have a major advantage in there. You know, especially with the whole morphing thing. But, you never know. Leonardo's he's a terrible leader. Leonardo's a terrible leader, but he's a heck of a swordsman. I give him that. But, anyway, that's going to do it for me on this one, y'all. Make sure to like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Leave a comment. Be nice. Or don't. I really don't care. I am out.